Are you a business owner struggling to find reliable workers for your business? It's a common challenge, especially in fields like construction, manufacturing, and warehousing. The quest for skilled and dependable labor can be a real uphill battle. And the fallout? Missed deadlines, a workload that just keeps growing, and productivity that's taken a nosedive. It's a struggle that many know all too well and shows up in your bottom line. But what if there was an effective solution to this problem? Meet Prime Staffing, your reliable partner in overcoming staffing challenges. We offer a comprehensive solution, providing temporary staffing, contract workers, and even permanent placements to meet your talent needs. Whether you're in construction, manufacturing, or warehousing, our specialty lies in sourcing talent quickly and scaling up efficiently. This effectively addresses the common issue of worker shortages, allowing your operations to continue running smoothly. We're not just a staffing agency, we're your strategic partner in business growth. So, what benefits can you expect when you partner with us? Let's dive in. First, you gain access to a vast pool of skilled workers, ready to make a difference in your business. Looking for a specific skill? Not a problem, we'll find it for you. Secondly, we speed up the recruitment process, so no more long waits for the right talent to get your work site. This includes workers for weekends and holidays. Thirdly, our services boost your business productivity while taking the weight off your HR team and taking care of all the complex paperwork so you don't have to. Above all, we're flexible, tailoring staffing solutions to your unique needs. With us, you get more than just workers. You get a team dedicated to your business success. Ready to overcome your staffing challenges and take your business to new heights? It's time to take the leap. Prime Staffing is here to help you source top talent quickly and efficiently, with flexible solutions to help your staffing needs in the short and long term. We provide temporary staffing, contract workers, and permanent placement to fill in your talent needs at the right place, at the right time. We're committed to helping you build a robust workforce, scaling up as necessary to help your business grow, and to aid you when you're in a staffing pinch. Contact Prime Staffing today, and let's build a stronger, more productive workforce for your business together.